Using a brush, apply a liberal amount of liquid rubber waterproofing sealant over every seam, joint, and crack. Then cut to size the liquid rubber Geo-Textile, lay it over the fresh coat of waterproofing sealant, allowing for the liquid rubber sealant to soak through the Geo-Textile membrane. Now follow up with another heavy coat of waterproofing sealant to cover up any visible waterproofing membrane. Once all the joints, seams, and cracks are covered in the waterproofing sealant, you are now ready to waterproof the remainder cement board shower wall area. Using a pan and a 9-inch roller, roll on a liberal amount of liquid rubber waterproofing sealant. Now, this is no way different than as if you're just painting a wall in your personal home. Apply the next heavy coat when the product is dry to the touch and nothing is wet underneath. Tacky is okay. For coverage, it is recommended to apply a minimum final thickness of 1 gallon per 20 square feet. So it should require about 3 to 4 heavy coats to achieve a 1 to 1.5 millimeter membrane thickness. After allowing the area to dry overnight, you'll be able to apply the standard tile thin set directly to the waterproofing membrane.